Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Well, I have a small Hobby Lobby and a Walgreens. And Walgreens Dymond bought me, so cute. But, this is what I got at Dollar Tree. Went in to buy a thing of flowers for Dymond's, rest of Dymond's vow renewal, and spotted this, so I picked it up. I thought it was cute to put it here while I do a video. And then we went to Hobby Lobby to buy gray ribbon and black ribbon, and I found some goodies besides that was the first trip. We went to Hobby Lobby twice today, guys. So I'll show you what I got on the first trip. Wasn't very much. I found these masks for 62 cents. There's 3 in here, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to decorate them. 62 cents for 3 masks. Originally $2.47, so I picked them up. And then I didn't realize when I grabbed this exactly what it was. I thought it was a stencil. It's actually a giant adhesive sticker. I thought it was a stencil. So I'll use it somehow. Not what I thought it was, but I only paid 74 cents, so I ain't that old. Then when me and Dymond were in the wedding section, because we needed these pins for the boutonnieres, I found this roll of this, and I left for $2.49. She picked this up for me. Dymond bought me this stuff, guys. I had no intentions, but she used some of my pearls for her wedding, so she replaced it with this. Isn't that cool? This whole roll, and there's let's see, how many on? 1.9, 48. It doesn't see. Let's see how much is on here. 15 feet. 15 feet of that for $2.49. That's cool. And I can cut if, whatever I want to use. So pick that up. And that was the first trip to the Hobby Lobby. Okay. And then we got home. And y'all know that I've been doing what the hell are these things? Cufflinks. And it didn't work out. So I came up with this idea. Went back to Hobby Lobby. Forgot a cufflink. And I picked up these things thinking maybe, but they're too big. So now I got these for my bottle caps in the future, because I told Dymond she could take a pack back, and she's like, I ain't worried about taking it back, Mom. So, and then if you saw the video before this, I did a quick video on the rack I bought or found, which it is all got all my 12x12 paper on right now, and I'm taking the rest of the night off before I finish cleaning in here. But I wanted to do this video because I'll be putting some stuff away. So then after that, Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, lunch, Walgreens, back to Hobby Lobby. That was the order it was. But in Walgreens, I sat in a car, and Dymond came out, and we got home. I wish I'd known she was going to do this, because I'd have had her video, because this was funny. She goes, Mom, do you remember how you said there was stuff you couldn't afford as a child that you pick up now because you remember it as your childhood? And I'm like, yeah. And I'm like, yeah. She goes, I said, especially the sentable markers. She goes, yeah, I know. She was walking through the school aisle, and their school stuff was on clearance. And I don't know why you classify this school. I don't know what she paid for it, but she said it was on clearance. So she grabbed me this pack, Scentable's Color Fun, reusable on the bag go. It came with 4 colors. And I thought it was funny that she remembers me saying that. And let's see what's else in here. So we got 4 colors. And we got a red, which is smells so good. Strawberry, watermelon, which I think I got some of these. And this one's blueberries, but she didn't know. And banana. But yeah, stickers, guys. Look at it. Oh my god, and it smells. So you got this sticker sheet. And this sticker sheet. I'm going to do a pocket letter. In this sticker sheet. Oh, what's banana smell like? And then it had the little coloring pages. Figure I'll give those to Rue. She can color them. But I thought I was tickled that she did this. But that's not it, guys. Ready? My daughter. Oh. She got me Mr. Sketch scented 12 scented markers. I laughed so hard. And I smelled them, guys. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so good. So we have, I'm not going to go. Should we see how well they work though? I'm going to not do it on this. Paper how. Let's get a scrap piece. I got plenty of scrap. Here we go. Ooh, it's a nice pink. Oh, and it smells so good. So I'm thinking that is raspberry and orange, of course. It smells like orange. They don't bleed through. Let's see if I can find a spot piece that's just. I want to test. So they bleed through. They don't bleed through. Nice. This is a Walmart cardstock, 110 pounds. So that's kind of cool. I'm just picking out of the box. We got a light green. Mint. Mint. Oh, I can't wait for these. Got mint. I'm not. Quit rolling. Banana. Nice. Watermelon. Oh. I think. I'm not sure. I think this is raspberry, actually. It smells more like raspberry. Yeah. Yep, this one's watermelon. So we have raspberry, watermelon. I had them screwed up. And this one is definitely apple. Apple. Nice Christmas green there. And then we have grape. Oh, it smells so good. I remember these in my special speech class. Cherry. I had speech class. I remember speech teacher having these. Blue is blueberry. It smells really good. And dark blue would be, what is dark blue? Oh. Okay. Fruit punch is the light one. This I bet you is blueberry. I can't even know my own sense. Yep, this is blueberry. That was fruit punch. Didn't smell like fruit punch to me, but my table is not level anymore. I had to move my table a little bit, so now it's not level, so I'll have to adjust it. And we have brown is cinnamon. And of course black is licorice, and I can't handle smell of licorice. So licorice. So cool. Aren't those cool? So that is my big surprise from my daughter. I laughed so hard when she got home and she handed me the Walgreens bags. She was about this for you, Mom. It's been very nice, generous, because I'm doing all of her. Dymond thinks of others so well. And I've been doing her flowers and then the cufflinks, and then they didn't look right because what I used made the paper bleed, and oh, it's been a headache on the cufflinks after I didn't notice it until she showed it to me today, and then I felt bad because I thought we were done. And then we made a couple changes to the flower bouquets today, and all that. She felt bad because she keeps doing this to me. But I think we're finally on the same page today. of the stuff. So that is that. You know, I'm like that they don't bleed through, so that's cool. So that is my big haul, guys. I'm a big spender. Well, I didn't have much money on me, and I didn't find it. I only brought my house key because I knew I didn't have any extra cash to go shopping. So Dymond picked this up for me. But the shelving unit was the big. I was like, oh my god, and she's the one. I'm like, I looked at it. She's like, I was like, oh my god, I said I could hold my 12 by 12 paper. She ripped the tag off, walked up to the counter, or the checkout, and said, take this, but we'll be back here. We have to go grab something. That's when we went back to get these things, which aren't going to work, but we came up with a solution. She went home and did some research, but that's all I got. But I just wanted to share that there's some reasonable good prices, and look for that shelving unit at yours, because what the manager told me is that whatever this was, this actually did not hold 12 by 12 paper. I don't know where it came from, personally, but all I saw was 12 by 12 paper holder, and I got my 12 by 12 on it. I'll do another video down the road when my craft room is better or cleaner, and I'll show you. Plus, I want to make something for the top, and it's got it all on. All my 12 by I got my 12 by 12 paper all on it, sitting here nicely, and it works great, and I'm loving it. So I want to thank all of you, as always. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody. Have a good night.